Hey Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and I'm excited to show you this great new listing. Come on, let's go check out 30 Hawks Point. You will love the spacious floor plan of this 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It has 3 outdoor entertaining areas and a brand new dock featuring 4 PWC slips, 2 12 by 34 foot slips, and a huge swim platform. If you'd like more information on this great listing, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.